What's going on, guys? I'm here with one of our clients, Mason from Ethos Visuals, who closed 40K in retainers in just 15 days of joining the program. What's up, Mason? How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, dude. You are ripping deals over here. What's the secret to your success? What's the thing you're doing over here to rip so many deals?
I think just trying to reach people and having a really good script to cold call, and also having really good discovery call offer and sales script. And
I love it.
the
Yeah.
best.
I was gonna say, because you're not even running ads yet. We need to get to
No.
running ads and having warm leads. Like you're just cold calling people. What's your
Yeah,
niche
I
again? Who are you
so
going
it's,
after?
it's realtors, so real
Okay.
estate agents, and then home service businesses,
Okay.
builders, and general contractors.
Heck yeah, I love it. And then what is this like? How long have you been in business? Tell us a little bit about you, like how you started this and what that kind of looks like.
For sure, yeah. So I graduated film school 2 years ago,
Okay.
and did decide to go to the Hollywood film set era, path, and then started my business about a year ago. After film school, I worked with a luxury realty brokerage. I was their full-time marketer, making $50,000 a year, working full-time marketing and doing video and photos for $5 to $10 million homes. And then decided that I could do that myself. So I started my own business. I reached out to people in my area, to people I had some contacts with, started doing retainers for a custom home builder, and that was at 3K a month. And that kind of got my foot in the door into seeing that retainers are a great way to have stable income. I did some more work for realtors in my area, did $450 videos, stuff like that. And then I realized that in order to grow, I needed more, I don't know, systems to kind of handle more. And so that's when I decided, I saw your ads on Instagram.
I've just been annoying you on the feed here with all my ads.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Sorry about
I mean,
that.
I've seen people online similar to your niche, and knew that there was something that I was missing. But I think just looking at your kind of case studies and seeing kind of the stuff that you had and how you guys were responding to me super quick just kind of got me in. And so I hopped on a call with
Evan.
Yeah.
We all the E's, man. It's Ethan, Evan, Eric.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopped on a call with Evan, felt really good about that. And in terms of cash flow, I wasn't able to put down enough to go with the full-time program. So I figured, well, let me just look at the course content, and then at least that can get my foot in the door and kind of get me rolling. Because in December, last month, I lost that retainer contract.
Okay.
So
Got
I
it.
had pretty much no income coming, and I was I need to figure something out. I need to work some sort of system out. I need to figure out my business. I was in do or die. In a couple of days, I have to pay rent, and if I hadn't done anything, I would have been screwed. So
Dude, you are
decided
the
to-
perfect example of somebody who takes action. And I love it because we talk to so many different people from so many different backgrounds. We'll talk to people who are younger, and if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I'm gonna be 22 in a month.
I
23.
love that. I love that, dude. I talk to people who are in their 40s, 50s. They've had agencies for a long time and they're just slow to move to things and they don't take action. And then there's you who literally in 15 days has added $40,000 in retainers to your business and you just brute forced your way there with the right system and got it done, right? And I love to see that, and I just want to say major props to you because it is a huge achievement to just go out there and make something happen, right? And you have. And it's literally just the beginning for you. You'll be at probably 100, 200K, 300K in deals very, very soon. And, we just want to say we're super proud of you. And we love that you've taken what we've given you and actually implemented it. I don't think there's any better feeling as a coach than somebody who just takes what you give them and then does it, which is huge. And I guess going off of that, what has been the most helpful thing so far being 15 days into the program?
So number one, looking through the course program, having a clear outline of what the next steps are for growth is the biggest one, because the things that you're talking about are not necessarily new concepts to me.
No.
I understand that retainers provide stable income, that having a good offer and script kind of helps you to do things close deals, but I just had no idea how to do that myself and how to build those things. And then I think also just a confidence factor as well of having it all laid out for me. I can just
Validation on
follow
it.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
just know that what I'm doing is the right path. So I think probably just the offers, creating the offer and your kind of sales process after that is probably the number one thing.
I love it. And then dude, now you have cash flow. It's time to run some ads soon and start getting people coming to you, booking on your calendar. Dude, if you can close people off cold calls, you are going to rip deals off ads. Seriously, because they're way warmer. They're way easier to work with.
Yeah.
which is huge. So I'm super excited for that. I guess like kind of a weird question, but like where do you feel like you might have been if you hadn't kind of taken that leap? Because I'm sure there's a lot of people in the same position as you, where like they just got out of film school or they just got out of college and they're like, hey, I want to make a leap, but like I'm worried. I'm scared to invest in myself. Like where do you feel like you might have been if you hadn't taken that leap and kind of taken that leap of faith for you?
I mean, yeah, so even if I just go back to like starting my business in the first place, like I was working a full-time job, you know, it was stable income, but there's no growth there. Like
Yeah.
if you want to make more money, you really can.
Yep.
You might get promoted, but whatever. Like, and so the thing with business and like being an entrepreneur is that I had this like goal in me that drove me, that if I wanted to make more, I just had to do it and it was up to me, and then I could do it. Like if
Yep.
I want to add 40K in deals, I can do it.
Yep.
And so I think knowing that is what helped me take that leap. And like at first it was like I didn't really have any clients, I didn't make much money. You know, just to be completely transparent, I got into some debt because of like buying the equipment, doing all that, starting my business. But it's been so worth it because I haven't felt like I've been working a day.
Yeah,
And, you
dude,
know,
that's exactly how I feel too. It's so similar. I worked as a server at a country club before I started my agency, and like it's the same thing. It's like there's no growth, and it's like yeah, it's stable, but what's the point if you can't grow and like expand? And I think as humans, we're meant to expand, we're meant to grow, and like I would rather make less money working for myself than make more money and work for someone else and not have any control over my life. And I think it really is like a control thing for us, where it's like we want to control our destiny, control where we want to go, and like make the calls and make as much money as we can with no cap on that, you know, which is huge. So, yeah.
And that's what I told myself, like jumping in. I was like,
Yeah.
all right, well, if I'd rather like take the risk now than be 10 years down the road,
Yeah.
like in the same position I am now.
Yep. Yeah.
Essentially.
Yeah. Before you have kids, before you have a family, before you have all these things that you have to take the risk now, because it's never going to get easier to do it, you know? Because that's ultimately what makes people successful. Yeah, and I love to see the drive, dude, because I think a lot of people don't have that, and there's no secret. It's just you have to put your head down, you have to have drive, you have to follow a proven system, and you will get there because you'll eventually figure out what to do and what not to do, which is huge. So, last question, I guess, if anybody is maybe on the fence, they're watching this, maybe they're just on the fence about booking a call with us and like talking about the program. I guess knowing what you know now, like what advice would you give to them kind of knowing that?
Definitely just take that like first call with Evan, because honestly being able to talk about it, the questions he asks you helps you to understand where you're at, and even if you know it might not work for you, I'm sure you'll learn something and you'll kind of understand the gap that you have into where your business is right now and where you want to be, and then you know these guys have the tools and the systems in order to help you get there.
I love it, dude. And I'll let you get back to closing deals. I appreciate your time. We'll do another one of these when you're at 100K, 200K, 300K in deals, and you're just ripping them left and right, which I love. So appreciate your time, dude, and we'll talk in the next one.